If you are dealing with RV waste management, you have got to learn about macerator pumps. These things, I just discovered the macerator pump and how it's used and what its purpose is, and my mind is blown. So I'm gonna show you the one that I just got my hands on, which is this one right here. This is a 12-volt portable RV macerator pump. Is designed to deliver power, portability, and performance in one compact unit. So whether you're emptying a full tank at a campsite or prepping for winter storage, this pump moves around 150 liters of waste in under 5 minutes with a 12 GPM flow rate. That means less time waiting for the tank to empty and more time enjoying things that don't have to do with, RV waste. So before we jump in too far, what is a macerator pump? Well, first of all, it's not pretty. So as you can see from the demonstration here, and you can see the clips that I'll be showing you on how I used it and actually running it and stuff like that. But this is going to connect onto your normal gray and black tank outlet where you would normally put your hose. What it does is it's basically like a garbage disposal, or it's a macerator, so it's basically like a garbage disposal. So what it's going to do is it's going to pump out all of the tanks, and it's going to chop everything up. Not mildly disgusting, it's pretty disgusting. And it is going to put it into a normal sized garden hose where you can then run this thing into, obviously like a dump tank at a campsite. But what's really cool about this, and the main reason why I picked this up, is because I wanted to be able to dump my tank or do extra cleaning or winterize at home. I can run this thing from my black and gray tanks into a garden hose, run it inside my house into a toilet or a clean out drain, and I can actually dump or I can do maintenance on my tanks at home without having to be somewhere where there's a dump tank. So it's really, really cool. I didn't even know this existed, and now that I do, it just opens up a lot of different things that I can do. I don't have to necessarily dump wherever I am. We do a lot of dry camping, a lot of off-grid stuff, and so we have to transport, our tanks full, wherever we're going and coming back. Now I can do all this at home. Now that we understand what a macerator pump is, let's talk about what makes this one pretty sweet. Now what stands out immediately is the dual stainless steel blade system. This thing grinds down solids down to 1/16 of an inch, drastically reducing clogs by up to 95%. Combined with a self-cleaning rinse port, flow control switch, cleanup is faster and way less messy. And since it connects to a standard garden hose, this thing is super simple and it's super plug and play. You can get this thing up and running in no time. Now the unit is powered by a copper core motor built for efficiency. This thing has thermal overload protection, dry run prevention that automatically shuts off when things start to heat up too much, then kicks back on once cooled. You also get a 7-foot cigarette lighter adapter and alligator clip option, so it's ready to work straight out of the box no matter where you're at. From RVs to boats, campsites to portable tanks, the macerator pump is built literally for versatility. Now, the other thing that's great about it is it has a 10-foot lift capacity and compact footprint, which make it ideal for mobile waste disposal where gravity-fed systems just can't do it. This is, again, it says it in the name, this is a macerator pump. So what I'm saying here is where you normally are dumping with gravity, right, your black tanks, if you needed to push this a distance away to get to a clean out or to a bathroom and things like that. This is pumping stuff, right? It's chopping up and pumping the stuff, which is totally crazy, but really awesome. So if you're looking for a reliable, compact, portable way to be able to, in maybe just a more creative way that you want to be able to dump, maintain your tanks, you have got to check one of these out.